from your left, we'll fly the 4 aircraft from Delaware State University Aviation Program. It provides students with quality education and experience in preparation for careers in the aviation industry. Curricula in the program lead to a Bachelor of Science degree with concentrations in aviation management or professional piloting. With the most competitive overall flight lab fees, it owns a fleet of 12 aircraft and an experienced and dedicated instructor staff. Delaware State University is simply the best flight education opportunity on the East Coast of the United States. Our aviation management graduates will be qualified for advanced training to fill the future vacancies in air traffic control, federal aviation administration, both regional and major airlines, corporate aviation, and all levels of airport administration career fields. Our professional pilots graduate will complete their FAA requirements for a private pilot's license, instrument rating, commercial license, multi-engine and certified flight instructor ratings while earning a bachelor's degree. Graduates of their FAA-approved Part 141 aviation program get hired into a professional pilot job, leading to a career in aviation. 100% of our professional pilots graduates are sitting as first officers at a regional airline within 12 months of graduation or serving as a military pilot. The red tails you saw painted on the Delaware State University aircraft represent the historical connection Delaware State University has to the famed Tuskegee Airmen.